story starts. Paddy was coming back from the pub. I don't know why. And you'll try getting the sea and they'll drown you. The Púca's out to teach you a lesson. You shouldn't be out on the roads at this time. This is our time. You shouldn't be walking around inebriated. This story starts with Paddy was coming home from the pub. Paddy was Paddy Guckian. He was a bit of a local trickster. Great sportsman, great hurler. He played for Castletowngagan, which is the next village over. I've actually changed his name because he was actually a clerk. I don't want to upset the landowners, but we'll go with Guckian. But Paddy was coming home, and he got into his middle age, about my age, he was in his late 30s. He still liked to go off roving with the local young lads. And Samhain was a great night to go roving.